Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix not working speakers on the Samsung Galaxy A52s. If your phone's speakers aren't playing sound or aren't working properly, I'll show you a few things you can try to fix that. We'll start by checking the volume levels. Click one of the volume buttons on the side, then click the three dots in the pop-up menu. This brings up the volume mixer where you can adjust media, ringtone, notification, and system volumes. Make sure all of them are turned up to see if that was the issue. Next, try cleaning the speaker grills with a soft brush. This phone has two speakers, one at the bottom and one in the top slit. Clean both with a soft, non-metallic brush to avoid damage. After that, try turning off Bluetooth. Go to the control panel, expand it, and tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off. This ensures your phone wasn't connected to another Bluetooth device playing sound there. Next, test the phone in safe mode. Safe mode starts the phone with all third-party apps disabled. To enable it, open the control panel, tap the power icon at the top right, hold the power off icon, then tap safe mode. The phone will boot into safe mode with third-party apps disabled, which may reveal if an app was causing the issue. The last step is updating the software in case it's a software issue that developers have fixed. Open Settings, scroll to Software Update, then click Download and Install to check for updates. If an update is available, wait for it to download, install it, and the phone will restart on the new version with the bug possibly fixed. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.